Meet the brand new Kubota F10 that goes beyond expectations year-round. Take on tough jobs with even greater efficiency, versatility, and power. Conquer grass and snow while maneuvering tight paths in our newest, highest-ever horsepower front-mount mower. Get comfortable in the fully adjustable seat. Choose between a suspension or air ride seat with armrests that come standard. Work hard no matter the time of day with a powerful LED work light that gives better visibility in low light conditions. Access maintenance points faster so you can focus on getting the job done. Expect smooth power delivery, better fuel economy, and high reliability out of the 36.9 horsepower Kubota Common Rail diesel engine. Switch from a front mower deck to a variety of attachments for spring and fall cleanup or snow removal. Stay productive and work in comfort this winter from a Canadian Climate certified cab. The new Kubota F10. Cover even more ground with greater efficiency all year round.